It's the Weather Xtreme video, the afternoon edition for Monday, March the 7th. I'm James Spann. Delightful weather today. We will see some showers and storms later this week, but the big problems will likely stay west of the state, and that's a good thing. Check it out today. This is the water vapor satellite view. You can see the big trough carving out over the southwest United States. Had some big storms out around Los Angeles and San Diego today. But around here, we are under a ridge, and man, it feels good. Temperatures are at or just above 70 in most spots, with 60s to the north. Birmingham at 70. We'll expect mid-70s tomorrow and Wednesday. Maybe upper 70s in a few spots. West of the state, we note we have flash flood watches for parts of East Texas, Louisiana, Arkansas, the southeastern tip of Oklahoma. Red flag warnings for parts of the Great Plains, the counties in bright pink, where there's a high wildfire danger. And severe storms a possibility this afternoon and tonight. From the Texas Hill Country north up through parts of Oklahoma and Kansas. Tomorrow, an enhanced risk of severe weather over South Texas. The standard slight risk up into Oklahoma, a marginal risk up to Wichita. And on day 3, Wednesday, a risk of severe weather for parts of East Texas, much of Louisiana, and some of the adjacent states. Alabama not involved in any of that. In fact, there's no risk defined after day 3. Check the QPF chart. This is coming from WPC for the next 7 days, valid through Monday evening of next week. And you can clearly see the big numbers are west of the state. Take a closer look at that. A pretty tight gradient here. You can see the bullseyes around Shreveport, about 11 inches there. In our state, the amounts vary from under 1 inch for the eastern counties to almost 2 inches for the Mississippi border, but clearly the big rains will be west of the state this week, as will the chance of flooding. All right, model fans, the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at noon. Look at that upper low digging down into Mexico. The Maya Express is all setting up there. But for us, we still have ridging, and tomorrow should be a nice day. We'll call it partly sunny with mid-70s. Off to the west, a surface low near Lubbock with severe storms possible for parts of Texas, Oklahoma, Louisiana, Arkansas. Wednesday, the ridge holds. I guess we might mention a small chance of a shower near the Mississippi border, but I think the bulk of the day will be dry. Again, we'll see mid-70s, maybe upper 70s in spots, but big rains continuing to the west, especially around the Arklatex. Thursday will introduce the chance of showers, but again, I don't think it rains that much. The better chance of a shower over the western half of the state, the big rains, Mississippi, Arkansas, Louisiana. Friday, the trough dampens out, begins to fill. We'll have a better chance of showers and storms, but this is not a severe weather look. And Saturday, the moisture pool stays in place. We'll maintain the chance of showers, maybe some thunder. But again, it's not a severe weather setup. And I don't think it rains all day, but it certainly should rain at times during the day. So make outdoor plans accordingly. If you've got your choice, this is the best day, Sunday. The trough lifts out. We should be dry. And again, there's no cold air involved with this. You can see the cold air trapped in Canada. The high should be at or just over 70. Sunday looks like a nice day. Monday of next week, little wave east of the state, maybe a shower, but again, not a big deal. Bottom line is, for now, we don't see any severe weather threats here, at least a big threat for the next 7 days. Here's the end of the forecast. This is Thursday of next week, March 17th, troughing in the west, ridging in the east. And again, we are mild and dry, if that's right. Anomalies March 15th through March 21st, still above average for the east. Temperatures coming off the GEFS ensemble. Look at all those 70s. Cooling down a little bit around March 20th and 21st, but no sign of that late season cold snap. We all know it's coming. I would not plant until April 15th. That's our rule every year. If you plant something now that's going to be harmed by a freeze, that's very dangerous to do. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.